तृणमूल कांग्रेस पहला पार्टी था जो पहले दिन से हमने कहा कि इसको रिपील करना है, टेक इट बैक। हमने भी कहा ऑल ऑन डे वन तृणमूल कांग्रेस सेड दैट टेक इट बैक। तब सरकार के सब बड़े बड़े मंत्री खड़े होकर कह रहे थे कि ये तो भारत के लिए अच्छा कानून तो कभी बना ही नहीं, ये जो फार्मर्स है ये तो बेवकूफ है, ये तो ममता बनर्जी है ये बेवकूफ है, सारे ऑपोजिशन मिले हुए हैं सब बेवकूफ है। तो अब 100 लोग से ज्यादा की मौत हो गई। फार्मर्स 1.5 साल के ऊपर से सर्दियों में, गर्मी में, लेडीज, ओल्ड पीपल सड़क में, बॉर्डर्स में, इनको एंटी नेशनल, इनको देशद्रोही, इनको टेररिस्ट सब कुछ कहा। अब जब यूपी इलेक्शन आने वाले हैं और 70 सीट वेस्टर्न यूपी में ऐसे लग रहे हैं, तब इसके डर के मारे अब थोड़ा सा एज वी से इन बंगाली टॉनक नोड़े छे, योर ब्रेन हैज स्टार्टेड मूविंग। सो अपना शक्ल देख के कॉन्शियंस में या यूपी के डर से पर डिलेड हो पर बुद्धि आया है। आई एम हैप्पी फॉर दैट एंड आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू आवर फार्मर्स। दिस विक्ट्री इज देयर्स for every farmer in India, for every son of a farmer, this victory is theirs. And we have shown this government, the farmers have shown this government, कि without arms, with only ahimsa and with only passion and conviction and courage, it is possible to defeat the BJP. So thank you to that.
We are so happy that God opened his eyes and it happened to be the birthday of Indira Ji. Now what has happened? In the parliament, just outside parliament, people have been crying, shouting, dying. He never opened his eyes.
Narendra Modi and BJP was trying to crush democracy and its institutions. They have undermined the power of democracy and the power of people. They thought with their autocratic style, with the numbers in the parliament, they will crush Indians, they will crush farmers, they will crush poor. But democracy is very deep rooted. Narendra Modi not understood what the democracy is because RSS does not believe in democracy. And Mr. Narendra Modi, right from the childhood, has grown against the democracy. They follow the dictators. They worship the dictators. And they don't respect the public sentiments. They don't respect the public opinion. And so they were trying to crush the farmers all over the country by amending the farmers' law, which farmers were protesting and opposing them tooth and nail to last almost 1.5 years. More than 500 farmers sacrificed their life. Still Modi did not understood what it is. Now the assembly elections are around the corner in the 5 states, where 3 states are predominantly by the farmers. The voters are the farmers. The voting right that is given by the constitution to every farmer, that is the power where the Modi realized if he does not withdraw these black laws, then his party will suffer a setback in these states. They realized after the Himachal Pradesh by-elections, because of the price rise and the petroleum hike, they lost very badly. So they are now started doing the introspection of the power of democracy and power of the Indian citizens. The people only with the fear of losing the power. So the more realization will happen, and many more such laws which are against the interest of Indians, like a CA.
Regarding this farmer, do you think Modi has banned because of farmers are hurt or election?
The Prime Minister's announcement to withdraw the 3 farm laws is definitely welcome. But it is sad that this announcement should come after more than 200 people, 200 farmers have lost their lives. This agitation of the farmers all over the country has rattled the BJP, and the Prime Minister, who was hell-bent on getting these laws passed without a proper discussion, without referring them to a select committee, was today the Congress party decision of agitating and supporting the farmers stands vindicated. Today it's a victory of the Congress party along with the farmers of this country.
Suddenly the government wakes up and says, we have decided to withdraw the laws. Only 3 weeks ago, the Prime Minister in a speech in Uttar Pradesh said, anybody who opposes the farm laws is anti-national. They are speaking for big farmers against small farmers. They're anti-farmer, and we will never withdraw the farm laws. What has happened today? What has happened is they have feedback that they will lose very badly in the next round of elections in 5 states, including Goa. It is the fear of losing elections which has impelled the Prime Minister to suddenly announce at 9 o'clock this morning that he has decided to withdraw the farm laws.